Hello everyone. So in the last class, we have discussed about images. How can we upload the image from our local system or AC73 transaction, and how can we display the text? So these all things we have discussed. Okay, 1 minute, guys. I'm just opening the server here. Let me open it. Okay, fine. So in today's class, we will discuss about some standard text. For example, I will maintain something data in the billing information like header or item, some text will be there, right? So I want to pick the data in our uh, Adobe form. Okay. First of all, I will go to something transaction code VL02N or VL03N. Okay. Here I'm giving something number, the billing number I'm giving here. Here some header information is there. So if we click on this button, this hand symbol, then it will go to the billing header information. Okay, here text is there. Already here I'm maintaining this AJF text, something I'm maintaining. Where I'm maintaining shipping instructions. This is one text here. Okay, so here I'm maintaining something text. This is occupied. This is the header level, and we can maintain the same thing in the item level also. Okay, if we double click on the item, then text will come here. Okay, so in the text you can maintain somewhere something, whatever it is. Okay, just I'm maintaining the text here. So this is the item information. If you double click on the line item, okay, we may contain some multiple line items here. So we have to double click on each line item and we have to maintain the text for that one. Okay, so I'm double clicking on the line number 10. So automatically it is going to the text here because previously I have opened text. That is why it is going to text directly now. Okay, now the header also I'm maintaining the text here, right? So I want to read this data. So first of all, I will go to some sample dummy program. How can we read this one? So if we want to read the text from uh, header level, okay, billing header level, then what we have to do? We have to use the function module read text, right? Read text function module. So here we have to maintain the ID and language. Language is sy-langu. Current language it will come here. And what is the name here? What is the object? And what is the lines here? It is coming something lines. So I need to check the data type for this one here. Just double click on this read text and go to the tables. Check here lines is there. So the associated type is the line here. Okay, fine. Click on back and declare one internal table here data lt text or lt line type table of. So this lt line I will pass to this table here. So maximum you all of you guys know about this one, how to read the data from header or item like that. Okay, you already use the read text function module, but here how can we use this functionality in Adobe Form. So that is the main functionality here. Fine. First of all, I will complete this one, then I will go to the Adobe Form. So here, ID is coming. So what is the ID here? We have to get to know this is the text is okay, but I don't know what I have to pass in this function module, read text function module. Language is okay, and we need to pass the ID, name, object. These four things are the mandatory things here: ID, language, name, and object. These four are mandatory things. That is why it is coming in the black color. So if it is optional, then it will come in the gray color. Okay, fine. Now here one button will be there. Okay, so display log like that. So if we click on that button, it will display all the technical information. Okay, so here we are providing the information in the shipping instructions, right? So fine, we just note this one, shipping instructions. So now click on this display log here. So it is displaying all the information, shipping instructions and shipping notification for customers. So these all things are coming here. So our text is available in the shipping instructions. So expand this one. So here we can see the object ID and ID. Okay, so these two things we are getting it here. Okay, same thing, just copy and paste to the function module. So first of all, ID. So what is ID? ID is TX03, right? So just copy and paste here, TX03. And what is the name here? So here name is not coming, right? So name is nothing but the delivery number. Sorry, billing number. I will give it. Okay, I will copy and paste. So and coming to the object. Okay, here object is asking. So the object name is BBBK, and I mean you have multiple options here. Then what I have to take it here. Okay, so I'm just taking the first one only. Why not? I'm not taking these all things here. See, I'm working for. See, sorry. Here I'm working for delivery number. So the delivery information will come in the BBBK only. This KNVB, KNA1, KNVB, this all information belongs to customer information. And EKKO, this belongs to some purchase order information, right? But I don't want like that. So I don't want this customer information or PO purchase order information. I don't want those things. I want only delivery information. So BBBK I'm going here. So if you get some experience, then you can get to know what we have to take it here, what we have to consider. So as of now, you just consider the BBBK, and if in your real time, if you don't know, then your functional will tell this one what we have to take it here. Your functional will tell this one. Fine, I'm taking here BBBK. And name is nothing but the delivery number, right? So that delivery number, I'm just copying it here and I will paste it here. So just check how many characters are there. So characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters are there, but this is the 10 digits character, right? So this delivery number, if you go to LAKP or LAPS table, then you can see the data element for that one. That is a character 10. So we need to add leading zeros here, otherwise the data will not come. If you want, you can check it here. Okay, but I'm not checking because maximum guys know about this one. I'm not checking the data element, these are things now. I'm keeping the breakpoint and I'm executing this one here. So click on F6 and check LT line. So one record is coming. So what is the record? AJF region and foundation. Fine. This is coming the 3D line. So we already know how to read the data from the in the dummy program by using read text function module. The same thing I want to apply it for Adobe Form. Okay. Now I'm going to the Adobe Form /o SFP. Here already we have this one. Okay, we are designing this one. Fine. So click on change button. Here I want to add. Okay, I want to add that text here directly. Then what we have to do? Here we have to take some text here, right click, create text. The text came here and just expand this one. Okay. So I want to provide something SJF text. SJF text here and or this is the billing or delivery text, right? Delivery text, and here text module is coming, right? You select it here, include text. Okay, I will tell one by one. So first of all, you just go for include text here. So include text I have taken, and here we have to maintain that text name and text object, text ID, and text language. Okay. So first of all, the text name here. So what is the text name? So here I'm coming here. This is the name. Okay. Text name is the delivery number we are passing here. The same thing here also we have to pass the delivery number. But delivery number is available in the variable IB billing number, right? So I will just drag and drop it here. IB billing number. And the text object. So just go to the retext function module here. So what is the object we are passing? VBBK, right? So just take the same thing, VBBK only. Okay. Next text ID. So what is the text ID? Here I'm passing the TX03. Same thing, TX03. Okay. And here the text language. Here text language I am just passing here sy-langu. This is the current language. And here what I'm taking here current language is English. Okay, so we have to provide en, but automatically system will consider the first letter e. Okay, so this is the hard coding, but if I open this in Japanese language, then it will not consider this one. Okay, it will not open at all. I mean, this read text function model will not read because I am hard coding it as the e here. That is why. So if you don't want like this, we have to provide some dynamic language text here. So in which language we are opening the system. So that language should come here. So for that one, we have something system fields here. Okay, just SFPSY, just expand this one. Here day, time, username, size, avasi. Only 4 fields are there, but there is no language. Right? There is no language. Now I want to add that language. Okay, first what I will do, save it till now. Save. So I will go for SFP in the separate transaction. Okay, I will come to the interface. Click on change and go to the data global data. Here I will add one variable. LV language type. This is the sy-lang current language. Okay, and I will pass the value to this variable. So I am taking it in the global definitions. Okay, and here in the code initialization, I want to pass the value. LV language is equal to sy-lang current language. Okay, and this is the output parameter. We are passing something value to this one. So it is catching some value. So this is the output here. So we have to provide the output parameter as well. So this is the LV language. Activate it. So this is activated. Now I will come back to the form designing here. Currently I am in the context, right? So just click on the properties here. 1 minute. Sorry, context here, right? So here expand this global data. it is not showing the current language here, right? So right click on it and refresh. Is there any option? Option is not available. So click on back button. So once again open this form. Now expand this global data. Now we can see the SLV language. This is the current language, right? Fine. Now delivery text, right? We are editing the delivery text. So expand this one. Here EN, current language is EN, but uh, we have to pass some dynamic text here. That is why I'm maintaining the LV language here. Just drag and drop it to first of all to the context. Okay, so from context you can drag and drop it to 1 minute. Where is it? Okay, so this language we need to drag and drop it to here. Okay, fine. Save it. Now I have to use this in the form layout, right? So just click on the layout here. Click on OK. Here I need to pass the text here, right? So what we have to do, we have to drag and drop here, or we have to go to the insert and something, sorry, standard and text. Okay, then we have to bind this way, bind the value, right? That is one way, or directly we can drag and drop the field here. Okay, the text we can drag and drop here. So for that one, we have to go for your data view is not available. Okay, fine, no problem. Just go to the palettes here, data view. Okay, so here it will contain all the parameters. Okay, from the layout, it will contain all parameters. Now we can see delivery text is available here, right? Just drag and drop it to the form layout. So it is coming like this. Okay, it is coming like this, but delivery text is coming like this. But I don't want to display this delivery text. Okay, if we execute this form, then it will display like delv underscore text. In the box, it will display the text which we are maintaining in the delivery text in VL02N or VL03N. We can able to see the text, right? Header text. The text will display here, but I don't want to display this hard coding text here. Okay, so what I have to do? So first of all, click on the layout here. Okay, layout, and your caption is coming, the position is coming here. If you click on this button, then it is showing some options. So if we select the right here, see it is changing to the right side. The head, the constant text is moving to the right side. Same thing. If we maintain to the top here, so it will go to the top. Okay, at the same time, I will maintain here none. None means it will not display anything. Okay, the hard coding value will not display. So only it will display the whatever the data we are maintaining in the delivery header text. That data only will display here. Okay, this is in the layout. Okay, layout. Now click on the object here. Okay, object, and here appearance. The box is coming, right? I don't want this box, so just select this one and click on none. Okay, two things here. So previously something text was coming. So if you don't want to display the standard text or hard coding text, then we have to go to layout here. So in the layout, we have selected the caption as none. Okay, caption as none. And if you don't want to display the box for this one, then select this one and come to the object. Here I am selecting none. Appearance, as selecting as none here. Okay, and save it and come to the context once again. Here one more thing I need to check it here. So just scroll down. Here we are seeing one more thing here. No error if text does not exist. What will happen if you are not maintaining the text in the delivery header text that is empty? At that time it will throw error. But sometimes we don't. If the data is not available, if we are not maintaining the data in the header text, then not required to display error. Okay, it should skip that one and it should process our further steps here. And finally, the form should generate, the PDF should generate here. So for that one, we have to select this checkbox. Okay, don't forget about this one. Sometimes it will throw error if you don't select this one. If the data is not available, then it will throw error. So to bypass that one, we have to select this checkbox here. Okay, fine. Activate it and execute it. So the delivery number, right? I will. This is the delivery number. Copy this one and paste it here. Click on execute. See, AJF Srijarani Foundation something. FOUN only is coming here. Okay, FOUN. And if we see the text here, so if we go to the header part, FOUND. I mean, spelling is. I mean, this is okay, but the window size is coming that much only. Okay, we have to increase that one. We have to increase the window size. We will do that one. Where is it? So this one. Okay, so something text is there. Some more text is there. So if you want to display that text also, what we have to do? So we just close it. Come to the smart AdobeForm. So come to the layout. Select it. Now allow multiple lines is there. Okay, if we select this one, then in the object field allow multiple lines is there. We have to select this one, and the layout also we have to expand. I mean, expand to fit here means, so how much the data is there, so that much of length it should automatically increase. Just activate and execute it here. Execute. See, it is coming full name here. Okay, so we are just adjusting this one, how much the text is there. So you can increase the text, you can increase the window like that, you can increase the window up to the text. Fine, this is okay, fine. So we are maintaining the text in the delivery header text, then that is okay, fine. Okay, so here what we can do, uh, we will give the, I mean, we will create one text here. Okay, in the context here we are creating some text here, delivery text something, we are maintaining it here, right? The same thing we can do in the interface as well. So this is the interface, right? So here we need to call the retext function module. Here in the AC38 transaction, okay, this is the AC38 transaction, right? For testing purpose, I am using this one, right? So here I am using the retext function module, right? The same way, this retext function module we can call in the driver program also. So here also we have to call the driver program, and we have to this one internal table is coming here, right? The LT line is coming, so the data is coming into this line or this internal table. So we have to loop this internal table, and we have to concatenate the text here. Okay, we have to concatenate the text into one string variable, and that variable we have to pass to the form. That is one thing. Okay, or directly in the form also we can pick the text. Okay, so here also we can create one text here, and by using directly we can pick the data from delivery header text. So this is okay, fine. Now I have one more requirement, like I am not maintaining in any SO header, or I mean the delivery header, or wherever it is in the item level text or header level text, I'm not maintaining there. So I will create some standard text here by using SO10. SO10 is a standard text. Okay, common text. Here I am maintaining ZAJF. Okay, ZAJF 123. Just click on create button. Click on create button. And so here I'm just writing something. Something text, I'm maintaining it here. Okay, save it. It is saved. Now just click on back. So this is the text, this is the common text. Okay, so you can use this text anywhere. Okay, you can use this text anywhere. Sometimes what is the use of this one? Okay, so in any programming in AC38 report, or in AdobeForm or Smart Form, wherever it is. Okay, so we have to maintain something text, but the text should not be constant. Okay, frequently they will change it. Then what we have to do? Okay, frequently they are changing this text. Okay, then each and every time we cannot change this one, and we cannot move the tier 2 quality production like that, right? So at the time we have to go to this standard text. If you maintain the text in delivery, or in sales order, or in billing, then it will apply only for that one only for that delivery, or only for that sales order. Particularly one record. Okay, particularly one record we are maintaining the text in the sales order, or billing, or shipping, whatever it is. Okay, but I don't want like that. This is a common text. You can use it anywhere. Okay, so at that time we will go for SO10 transaction, and we will create this text here. Now I want to use this text. First I will go to the dummy program. AC38 transaction. Okay, so retext function module only we have to use for this one. Okay, retext function module only, and here we can see something text name. Text name is ZSJF123 is coming. So text name is this one, right? So previously I am passing something, the delivery number. Here I am just passing the name. Okay, the name is ZSJF123, as I am maintaining it here, and the text ID is ST. Text ID is ST. I will replace it here. And the next one is the current language. Current language is okay. Okay, and the object Okay, object is not there. You can see here object is there, object is not there, right? So we have to maintain as text. Text, activate it and execute it. Click on F6, double click on LT line, one record is coming. Okay, so whatever we are maintaining, the data is coming like this. Okay. Click on F8. Now same, what we are doing here, the same thing we have to apply in the Adobe Form also. Okay, so the first way is we have to call this retext function module in the driver in the interface. Okay, in the interface we have to call this one. That is one thing, and one more thing is, so calling the function module interface is nothing but just copy and paste this one. Okay, whatever we are using the retext function module here, just copy and paste it here, and take that here LT line. The data is coming into LT line, right? So the data, we can loop the data and we can concatenate it into one variable and pass that one to one something variable. Okay, in the global data, we can declare one variable. To that variable, you can pass the value and you can use this one in the form. Okay, that is one way. But I don't want in that way. I don't want to write anything for that one. So directly I will come to the form. So in the form, I will create one text here. Create and text. Okay. So here I want to give something name and a text or SO text for your understanding purpose. SO text, SO10 text. Okay. And here text module is there, right? So just expand this one here and you have to select the include text. Okay, include text. Now text name. So the text name, I have to go to the SO10, or already we are implementing it in a dummy program S38, right? So what we are giving here name, SJF123, right? Just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, text name. And the text object, what is the object here? Object is text, right? So the same thing, I am just maintaining it in the object. Text, and what is the text ID? Text ID is ST. Okay, ST I will maintain. And the language. So here language I am passing the SYFN current language, right? So the current language I'm taking one variable into LV language, right? Just that one only I will drag and drop it here. Okay, that only just dragging and dropping. Fine. Now I will come to the layout part here. Now here data view I want to display. So click on palettes and click on data view. So data view is coming here. Now SO10 text I want to display. So I will pass it here. Okay, now SO text I don't want. SO10 text, this is hard coding value. I don't want this one. So what we have to do, we have to select it and click on layout, and here caption is there. So just remove this one. Just click on, just provide a none. Okay, and this is the, here we have to select the expand to fit, and this is the width and this is the height. Okay, both things we have to expand to fit here, and click on the object, and here box is coming. I don't want any box here, so I am selecting the none here. Okay, and allow multiple lines. Okay, If it is containing multiple lines, then we have to display the data also. That is why I'm selecting this one. So, and click on content once again. Here, the checkbox, I forgot to add the checkbox. So, no error if text does not exist. This is mandatory thing. Don't forget about this one. Okay, save it and activate it. So click on execute. The delivery number. I have taken somewhere. Fine. I will come here. I will go to the PL02N. Okay, copy it. Paste it here. And leading zeros, I am adding 00 and click on execute. Click on print preview. Open. See, Srijanani Foundation GYAP. So this is the text. This is the common text. Okay, this is a common text. This text you can use anywhere. Okay, and if you change this one, okay, automatically it will change in the production as well. Okay, fine. This is one thing. And we have one more type here. I will come to this one once again. Here, how we are maintaining the text. So first one is the in the delivery level or in the sales order level or in the billing level, wherever it is, we are maintaining the text. Okay, as in the header text or in item text. Okay, so if we are passing the item text, then what we have to do? So here we are passing the delivery number, right? So delivery number. After that one, we have to provide the item number also. If we are picking from specific item, okay, concatenate the delivery number and item number. Then it will display the same thing only, just concatenating the item also. Okay. Now we are maintaining the text in the delivery header or delivery item level or in SO10 transaction as well. That is the common text. And I have one more option also. Okay, I'm going to the smart forms. If you see here, form, style, and text module, three things are coming here. Form means smart form. Style means smart styles for applying something, paragraph colors and paragraph text size, text length. So these are things we can create some smart style. That smart style we have to use the smart form. And the text module. In text module also we have to maintain some text and we can use this one the smart form. Right? The same way I want to use this text module text. Okay, just create something here. Text module 1. Click on create. Click on allow. Something text I'm providing, just save it and click on back. Click on back. Okay, so here I'm just maintaining some text module, right? So that one ZAJF TM1. So I want to use this one in our Adobe form. So for that one, I will create one text here. Right click, create text. Text is coming. This is the text module. Text module 1. Okay, TM1 text module 1, and here text module is coming. So I'm keeping the same thing only. Previously we have selected the include text here, right? But now I'm maintaining the text module only. Okay, and the text name. Text name, I will go to the smart forms transaction. Here I have just copied the text module name. Just copy and pasting it here. What is the language? So the language is current language, right? So LV language, I'm just taking it here. Okay, and here the checkbox. Okay, fine. Now come to the layout. And go to the data view, palettes, data view. So here TM1 text module 1, just drag and drop it here. For this one also, I don't want the TM_1, the hard coding text layout and caption none. Okay, and expand to fit, and here also expand to fit. Now click on the object and box. I don't want, so appearance as none and allow multiple lines. Save it, execute it, or activate it first of all. Click on execute. Delivery number 1 minute. Copy and paste it here. I'm adding zeros, adding. Just click on execute. Click on print preview. Open. See, one more text is coming here. Okay, fine. So, and we have one more requirement, like, so based on some condition, okay, based on some condition, I want to change the names here. So then what we have to do? Okay, so in the driver program, okay, driver program, take one variable, okay, take one variable. If delivery type, right, ls, lakp, lf, document type lfdt or lf. 1 minute, I will go to the LFART. Okay, LFART is equal to something AU. As if LS, LKP, LFART is equal to here take one variable LV name is equal to what I'm telling here. So I'm maintaining two texts here in SO10. Okay, in SO10 I'm maintaining two texts. So based on the condition, we have to pick either text one or text two. Okay, so here I'm just taking one condition here. If ls likp lfart, this is the document type. If document type is AU, then text one should come, and if it is AD, then text two should come. Okay, and pass this LB underscore name to the form here. I am not implementing this one. You can practice this one. Okay, I'm just telling you the overall how we can do this one. Okay, so here we are creating something text, right? SO10 text here we are maintaining. So here we are maintaining the name, LV name, right? So this is the hard coding I am just maintaining. So instead of hard coding, so what we are doing in the interface, we are maintaining the LV name. Okay, based on the document type, we are filling the LV name here. This LV name uh, uh, we will pass it from interface to form, concatenating. Just drag and drop to the context here. Okay, and you can use that name, drag and drop this one to text name. Instead of hard coding, just drag and drop that name to text name here. Then automatically it will pick the value based on our document type. It will pick the text as for text here. Okay, so you can practice on this one. I am not telling this one. You can practice on this one. Okay, then fine. We will discuss a few more concepts in the next class. Okay. Okay, then bye. Jai Hind.